Hey, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys my paid for Boxycharm by Ipsy. I just did a spoilers for February, but let's get into this. This is what I paid for. I made my choices. What do you think I chose? All right, so I'm not wearing this today. So first product is the Penrose Pillow Talk Poet Perfume. I did choose this. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. I haven't had a reaction to this, and I do usually sometimes I have reactions to fragrances. I feel itchy and stuff, but this is cruelty-free, vegan, clean, paraben-free, phthalate-free. It's a San Francisco company. I'm trying to see, I don't see the scents. I was like, here we go. Tell me everything. Is the scent powder, ambergris, and musk. I don't really smell a lot of musk in it, but I do like it. Then I chose this double-sided lip liner. Let me swatch it for you guys. I did experience some bleeding with this. It was kind of odd. I was wearing a liquid lipstick that I usually don't experience bleeding with, but this was all over my mouth, like everywhere at work. So those are the two shades, a nude and then like a darker lip liner. So let's see, the lighter one is Starbreaker, and then the darker one is Desert Plains. This is by Context Skin, but I don't know how I feel about it. Like, that was really messy. That was not attractive. And then I got from Game Beauty this brush set. I did choose this one as well. They have purple tips, and I like that they have like an indent here. I put my finger down here, but still kind of cool color from Game Beauty, video game brand. And then from Ren Clean Skincare, this is their Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream. They do have a lot of vitamin C products. This was chosen for me. Have not tried this yet. And then not tried this either. This is from Ofra. This was also chosen for me. This is their signature palette in Luxe. So Rodeo Drive is in the middle. It's a very basic palette, but you know, that's what your thing is. With Boxycharm, you do get a lot of Ofra products. I don't like, it was kind of messy, but it's whatever. And then here you go. There's a magnet here so you can close it, but Rodeo Drive is right here. There are two shimmers, but yeah, it's just a basic palette. And then there's the plastic insert. Those were the 5 items I got. A 4-piece brush set, a double-sided lip liner. Yeah, 2 lip liners, perfume, a shadow palette, and a gel cream. Is some moisturizer, I guess. So yeah, what did you guys get in your Boxycharm by Ipsy? Were you excited or were you not excited? These are, I mean, they were okay. My PR box, I don't know which one I liked more, the PR or the paid for box. So let me know, would you be happy with this box or would you be like, Stay tuned for my spoilers. I will be posting that like the next day. So yeah, I'm looking the spoilers, especially the icon box. Stay tuned. The icon box looks pretty good. And I am getting that in PR. So yeah, and I did get my nails done prior to now, after filming this. So yeah, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, stay safe, healthy, and do something that makes you happy.